Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike, another cooking show for you. In this video you'll see us how to make cheese buns. We got the dough ready. It's so good, look. Look folks, we'll try it. Okay folks, right here.
I followed the super fluffy bun recipe.
And we got shredded cheese, what's left of the big block we had. Lasted a long time. A week, a big block it lasted. We got the counter oiled here. So you need oil to work with your, and pan to oil. Avril knows more, she'll show us. She's busting the dough. Yeah, Avril knows more. She'll teach us. Hope this video is educational. Oil in her hand. Knitting it.
Kneading.
Knitting.
Knitting is when
I know.
you
Okay. Okay, continue.
Back it up, boy.
Alright, there you go. Coming along. Oh, scary. Oh, that's how you cheese buns, folks. In our how to make the dough is on how to make super fluffy buns.
This helps get all the bubbles out too.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're working. She's working her buns.
See, I'm gonna make them like that. I like them.
Okay, make them like you usually do. So
that's how I make them.
how you feel, it'll work out better that way. Yeah, we'll continue on like that. There's the one.
We'll make about 5 or 6.
We'll get that.
For 6 kids.
Yeah. We're 6 kids, she said. Yeah.
7 plus Michael.
No. Yeah, right there. Okay. Well, I'll show you one more. So you'll know. Working the bubbles out.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay, there's going on. Okay, we'll continue like that, folks.
Okay, no wait. I'm gonna do that, but
Okay. You can do that last.
show you to keep it stretched out.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna keep going back together.
Yeah.
You know what? It's good dough too when it's elasticy. It keeps moving.
Yeah.
That's how you want.
Oh, so you make one and then put cheese on. It's best,
I
eh?
put cheese on right away.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna let it rise. Not even long, because it's gonna keep rising.
Okay.
In the oven.
Oh, it's better to make one and put your cheese on.
And then I kind of dab it, not really hard.
You can make 2 and then do 2, eh?
It's gonna keep it. It's gonna keep it you know, like it's gonna stay like that. The cheese helps it. That's what I mean. That's, It's good to do that.
Oh, it keeps it from stretching back in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I know. Cool. You could use the other cheese. What's it called?
I would put some sprinkles of cheddar too. Yeah, just to.
On both on one?
Yeah, I would. I would do some matzo and some cheddar. Yeah.
We like matzo, so we're using matzo.
That's all I got.
And that's all we got. We like both, yeah.
But I always use matzo anyway.
We'll continue like that. Make 2, and then put your cheese on there from holding it from going back in towards each other. Yeah, we're gonna continue like that, folks. Do we preheat the oven?
Of course, we always preheat.
Okay, we're gonna preheat the oven at 375. Right there. Always preheat your oven so it doesn't burn at the bottom. If it's warm in the whole oven, it'll cook all evenly.
Oh yeah, see, I didn't work it enough. I only slapped it 2 times.
Oh yeah.
If you do it like lots, it stays stretched, see?
Oh yeah.
I'm just showing you, that's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to show you why you do it.
Do it the first time she done it. The second time is the best.
Yeah, work it out.
Okay. Show us really good on this one. Yeah.
Get up. You can hear all the bubbles coming out.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what you want.
Okay, do your best on this one, see? So the people educate the people how to make cheese buns. And me too. Educate me.
See?
Oh yeah, nice.
Now it won't stretch as much. Then you get the cheese on. Stretch it out a little bit, not too much.
It's all about working it.
Don't push the cheese all the way in too, yeah, because it's gonna just like lightly.
Yeah.
There.
How long that usually takes in the oven?
Oh, not long.
We'll time it, eh? We'll time it for you folks. We're gonna get the last one in and we'll show you how long it takes. Already, he's gonna work another one. Okay, folks, Avril's gonna show us, what is that called?
Just the circle one. You know the circle one you buy in the store, those circle ones?
Okay. She's gonna show us a different different way you can make a circle one. Working the bubbles out. It's all about, this method is working the bubbles out. We're making a swirly one that you buy at the store.
Pinch, pinch.
Pinch together?
Yeah.
Like tape?
Mm-hmm. Then.
Oh no, nice, look.
This one you just...
The cheese is going on. And we would have put mozzarella if we had some?
Oh, cheddar.
Cheddar. If this would have been mozzarella and cheddar on top, if we had cheddar.
One more skinny one.
Like one more, she's working another one. Yeah, this is a baby.
It's a baby.
Yeah.
It's not going to be a baby when it's cooked.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, very delicious, folks. Look at that. Oh, the consistency. Look at that.
Couple minutes.
We're gonna let it rise.
We have left. We make something with it.
Oh yeah, we'll make another batch with it. Okay, right there. We'll let it rise. I'll show you.
Let's make a cinnamon log.
Yeah. Okay, we'll let it rise. All right, folks, the cheese buns are going on. Look at that cheese. We could have had some. It's rise now. 20 minutes. 25 minutes, 20 minutes, and we got the cheese. We could have had mozzarella and
cheddar.
Cheddar. Okay, it's going in the oven. Oh, there we go, folks.
So that'll cook.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna bump it up. Oh yeah, 400 is good. Perfect.
Yeah, 400 it is on.
We wish I cook buns kind of high.
Always preheat your oven. Okay, it's cooking now. The cheese buns are in. Nice, look at that, folks. It gets hot on this side. We're gonna turn it around. Right there. Yeah, it's coming along. It's kind of flat here, right here, because we left it on the stove and the heat from the oven melted it. But it still will turn out good.
It's good.
Yeah, it'll be awesome. Right, folks, Avril's gonna do check the bottom.
Oh yeah, it's done. See?
Oh, it's brown.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, check over here. Lift it up so people will see.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Perfect. So we're gonna broil it.
Okay, we're boiling it and turn it to the top.
Go walk away from your stove.
The bottom is brown. We lift it up. It's brown. So, yeah, don't walk away from it. It'll take a second. Okay, folks, it's done. Cheese bun is done. Oh.
Now we can get the other one.
There you are, folks. Cheese bun. How to make cheese buns. Hope this video was educational. Please subscribe to Outdoors with Mike and hit the icon bell button. It's very good. I can smell it. Oh, it's very delicious looking. All right. That's how you make cheese buns, folks. Okay, folks, the cheese bread is done. It cooled off a bit. Okay, right here, the consistency. Look at that cheese pull. Oh, it's so good. Look. Look, folks, we'll try it. Mmm. It kind of tastes like pizza with cheese. A pizza cheese bun. Mmm. Yeah.
You sure your house is nice and toasty when you're cooking bread.
Yeah. For the rise. It's all about the rise.
It's all about the rise.
Yeah. Just trying to be myself and create content and educational at the same time. Hope this cheese bun video is educational. Thank you. Bye for now.